Hello friends and followers. So I've been using this Feeltech function generator for a few years now. I think I bought this in 2020 or 2019 on Amazon, and at that time this was priced around 80 bucks or something. And I thought it was an excellent deal. So I think when I was fixing a Drake, I must have put 200 volts, 250 volts into this input and pretty much blew out channel 1 to a degree. So that depressed me, and I still wanted to use this thing, and I figured I would use channel 2, and that worked for a while. So I tried using this thing here recently to calibrate the HRO500 receiver, and it wasn't working. It worked a few months ago when I was trying to calibrate the National NC300 receiver. It worked great. So anyway, I just put my finger in here to see what's going on, and this chip about burned my finger off, and I thought, okay, that's a short. This chip is shorted, something shorted, so that one's fine. And I was able to get a visual on that chip with the iPhone camera, and it turns out it's an AD8009 chip, and not very complicated, just an op amp that does a huge range. So I'm not sure if they use that for the power amplifier or not, or what they use it for, but at any rate, looks like it gets VCC in through pin 7 here. So I just traced that pin and yanked out the series resistor. So you can see pin 1 in the lower right corner with a little round dot, and pin 7 is, let me find something to point with here. Yeah, I don't like SMT, but anyway, pin 7 is like right there. So it goes pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pin 7 is VCC. Anyway, looks like there's a resistor there called something 14. And I took that little dude out. I just got a soldering iron, and you can see where the pads are, and took it out. So there's the resistor I took out. I'm not sure how many ohms it was, but anyway, that turned off this chip, which was heating up. So I'm not sure what this chip does when it gets super hot. Maybe it shorts out and blows up the generator. I don't know what it does, but anyway, I'm still cranking along here on channel 2 now, which is what I wanted hours ago. And then I was looking at the prices of generators, and these replace them are like $140. And then to buy a nice HP generator, you can get broken ones for about 300 bucks and fixed ones for about $800 to $1,000. And I thought, you know, just to tune up my HRO500, I don't want to spend all that money. So I want to get a 230 kilohertz signal is all I want. So anyway, this thing might be working now for a while. I guess I'll put it back together and see what it's doing. But turn off these channels by pushing the channel button, and turn on the channel. This thing's a funky monkey. There it goes. So channel 2 is now on. I want to get about 230 hertz out of it, so you would do that by dialing up 230. This thing's been pretty great. I mean, you just don't want to abuse it, which I've abused it, so. And then you can muck around with the amplitude here, if you can press the button correctly. I can't even see down there to do it. Let's see, this one here. There, now the amplitude. So you could now control that with this button here. The little relays are clicking like they always do. Yeah, it's really a great little generator from China. It's just a matter of don't put bad voltage into it and screw it up like I did. So anyway, there's a signal. That's hopefully 230 kilohertz. And yeah, the amplitude's responding now. And the frequency is responding. Got a sine wave, that's all we need, so I guess I'll put the cover back on this thing and maybe it'll work for a while. Yeah, that chip was awfully hot. I thought I could unsolder it and put one in there, but I don't have any SMT technology. I guess I could solder wick that off. Solder wick it off and put a new chip in there. Maybe I'll do that. That one's a little hot, not much. This one was really baking, so I guess this is a channel 1 chip. I had blown out a diode or something there. And anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.